Hello everyone, I'm gonna make an overview of the Zigaform WordPress plugin. So first you can see here all the fields that you can use. Just drag and drop, just drag and drop. And then once the field has been added, you can see all the options of the field on the right side, and you can see the label. So for example here you can see the label. You can see you have many options on here. Also the input, for example, we can put a placeholder here, your text. Also you can add a help block. You can see that. Also you can add validators like that. Also conditional logic, or also under more tab you can you have margin and padding options. For example here you can see this one. You can add more margin on the top. So that's it. Also on the form, under form tab, you can change the background or the color, and you have many other options for the skin of the form. And let me put it here. There it is. Also under email settings you have all the email settings. So here you can put the recipient mail on here. Here's the subject, the mail, notification, content, the content. There it is. For the customer, the same. You just select an email, a recipient mail. This email comes from this one, so you have to add a email validation in order to select as recipient on the customer, for the customer. You can see here. You can see here it's the same. Okay. Also you can use the shortcuts from the right. These shortcuts shows the information of each field, and that's it. Also for the success message, you can have your own content. Here your success message. There it is. Also here some options. Also you can add CSS or JavaScript. Here's some configuration for the PDF. Here's some options for the email. On the records you can enable the custom content for the records, and that's it. Save changes. Also you have under options button you have the rollback option, so you can go back to the previous form that you have saved. Also you can see the variables on here, all the variables that you can use on the mail, success message, and on the records. That's it. And that's it. Save changes. You can check the preview on here. So you can see here it works. Also you can use some templates on here. records, you can check the records on here. You can import and export the forms. Here the charts. So also here some settings. You can change the language. Here some other options. Also you can make a backup of your database. This is important when you make some upgrade. It's good to make a backup before. Here the system check. You can see the database is installed fine. Also, it comes with some extensions. For example, you have translation extension. So if we go on here, you can see the translation here. So you select the language, then just change some text, and then at the end the save changes, and you will just see the changes. Okay, then if we check other extension, webhooks, so you can send information to other services through webhooks. So webhooks like Zapier, so you can send information to Zapier. Also, you can add animation effects. For example, I will activate this extension. If we go to our form, for example, I'm gonna add an animation on this title. So just go on the More tab, and you can see here. Here's the animation options. For example, you can see here we can animate. We have to put there it is, left to right, so you can see how it works. There it is. For example, if we refresh our page, there it is. So you can see there's a delay. I don't like that delay, so I'm just gonna remove that delay that I have added. There it is. There it is. Now our animation is working fine. So I think that's all. Wait, we can check, for example, here our records, export to CSV, show details. Here our custom information. Then you can export to PDF. So that's it. Thanks for your attention.